Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify user onboarding analytics with Mixpanel mobile tracking, full guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Mixpanel account. Log into your Mixpanel dashboard. Navigate to the project you want to analyze. Open the mobile app for which you're tracking user onboarding. Integrate the Mixpanel SDK into your mobile application. Follow the setup instructions specific to your platform, either iOS or Android. Ensure that the SDK is properly initialized in your app's code. Begin by identifying the key events related to user onboarding. Common events include account creation, tutorial completions, and first actions. Implement tracking for these events in your code. Use Mixpanel's event tracking functions for accurate data collection. Test your implementation to ensure the events fire correctly. Use a test device to go through the onboarding process. Confirm that your defined events are recorded in Mixpanel. Go back to your dashboard and navigate to the Events section. Locate the onboarding events you implemented. Review the data for each event to ensure it appears as expected. Create funnels within Mixpanel to analyze user flow. Select the events that represent each stage of the onboarding process. Adjust the funnel to visualize drop-off points effectively. Review cohort analyses to understand different user segments. Focus on users who completed onboarding versus those who dropped off. Utilize insights to identify potential issues in the onboarding flow. Make necessary adjustments to improve user experience based on your findings. Monitor the impact of your changes through Mixpanel's analytics. Regularly revisit your onboarding analytics for continuous improvement. Document any insights and adjustments for future reference. Stay updated with Mixpanel's new features to enhance your tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.